Encore Wire's type NMB, or non-metallic sheathed cable, is one of our easiest cables to pull. It features our SuperSlick Elite coating, which is a slick outer coating designed to reduce surface friction, allowing for an easier pulling experience without the need for additional lubricant. It comes in sizes 14 gauge through 2 gauge and is available in our standard colors. At Encore Wire, we pioneered size-specific colored NMB, with 14 gauge being white, 12 gauge being yellow, and 10 gauge being orange. Type NMB is commonly used for branch circuit applications in residential and light commercial applications, supplying receptacle outlets, general use snap switches, and lighting luminaries, which are also known as light fixtures. It can be installed or fished in air voids and joints, and in masonry block or tile walls, where walls are not exposed to excessive moisture or dampness. It is permitted for 600-volt applications for both exposed and concealed work, and is suitable for dry locations. Type NMB is constructed with 2 insulated individual conductors in parallel, or 3 insulated individual conductors pre-twisted together. Both include a bare copper equipment ground conductor. The assemblies are wrapped in fire-retardant paper and covered in a PVC sheathing, or a jacket. Type NMB is RoHS compliant. It's listed, labeled, and in compliance with UL 719, UL 83, and UL 2556. Its ampacity limitation is in accordance with the 60 degrees Celsius conductor temperature rating. To view our full spec sheets, go to EncoreWire.com. Encore Wire's type NMB is available in a variety of standard lengths, from 25 to 5,000 feet depending on wire gauge. We can also do custom lengths. All of our wiring cable is born in America and raised in Texas. Our expansive, single-site campus stretches across 460 acres with over 3.5 million square feet under roof. This affords us the ability to meet demanding job site requirements, from accelerated delivery needs to custom product specifications and unique colors and sizes. Maximize your time and increase productivity. Check with your local Encore Wire rep for more details on how to purchase our NMB.